what is up? Today we are back with another video. So for today I have my Z palette. I think that's what they're called. I don't know why I'm saying Z, or it's this. So building our own palette. I have my foundation and brows on for the sake of time, so we can put this together. So these are the shadows that they come with. So I ordered a couple of other ones so that we can place them in here. I'm gonna take this clear thing off. I don't know what brand this is. It's this. I'm not even gonna try to say that. So yeah, take this off. And then it allows you to like move the shadows around. So that top row can be the original shadows in there, and we're gonna add the Coastal Scents single shadows. I didn't even know that they sold single shadows by themselves, so I was really excited to order some. So we're gonna open it up with our knife. The thing that takes up the most space is this brush set. I got it because it was so cute, like the kind of like design. Kind of reminds me of like a designer bag. And it comes with all these brushes. It's an 8-piece brush set by Majestic. So that's really cute. I don't think I want to use these brushes though. Let's open this thing. So we'll run through them really quick. This is the Coastal Scents eyeshadow in Persian Peach. Next shade is Bronze Peach. Oatmeal Tan. Cinnamon Stone. Antique Lilac. Raisinberry. Root beer. Rose beer. I think I only have room for one more. This one out from the original row because it's not that cute. It's just kind of like a shimmer brown, and I rarely use shades like that, so pretty cute. I like the shades that we got, kind of some neutrals, pops of color. This is Amethyst. This is Timeless Taupe. And here is the palette. I like that it's a leather like case, so it can stay rather clean. And these are all the shadows, so in total it fits 12. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. Them all on my finger. I feel like these shades will look good like for everyday use. Oh, they say it at the bottom. How cool. Okay, so they do say it at the bottom. That's very helpful. It was, I forgot the name already, Bronze Peach. Let me get some on. I like that it comes with the mirror as well. So far, so good. not a lot of fallout with these shadows. What should I blend it out with? Should I try this antique lilac? Actually, what is this one? This one, let's dip into that one. I'm filming a video. I'm gonna put any shade. I think I'm gonna go with this purple one. Magnetic eyeliner for magnetic lashes, so we're gonna put those on for that to dry while I do concealer. The heck? Put him in the cage. Come here. This dog eats anything. So that was a Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie concealer in Maple. Put that in the center because I don't like it to be overly bright in that area. I'm gonna blend this out with the Beauty Blender. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah, that is a picture of me back there. I really don't like putting a dark color on my lids because I have like hooded eyes, I think that's what it's called. But maybe with the lashes it'll look better. Take this BH Studio Pro powder. Blush today. It's no bronzer. This is Tarte Party Dress. It's like a coral color. Gonna move to highlight and lips. I'm gonna take this Kylie Ice Me Out highlighter, put some in the inner corners. gonna try the Lime Crime Velveteens. This is Polly. That is it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. This is a new freeze from Taco Bell. I think it's the blue raspberry. It's so good. But I bent my straw so it's not like, it's not sucking. And what is this? Black bean crunch wrap. Always bless your meals. Amen. This is so good.